Let's get right to it, everybody. Let's get right to it. Market is about to open. Friday. It's Friday. Let's have a huge party, everybody. Let's have a huge party. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Who's ready to hunt with us? Welcome again. First thing first, let's prepare our holy water that mixed with rose water. It's great to be alive. Let's get right to it. Let's clean the camera. Okay, perfect. We are alive, we are awake, and we have water. That's all we need to do in order to trade for today. Okay, guys, let's get right to it. Okay, let me know if you can hear me all right. Let me know if you can hear me all right. AMC, we have something about to give here. We have a huge preparation for a bounce from this channel and have a squeeze up or down. Look at this. Yeah, this is really interesting. What's going on with AMC price action? Yeah, we got some accumulation here just below our AMA. We might have the start of the kick around the 942. SECO looking interesting as well. Looking interesting. Look at this trend. We have a huge seller around the $1.82. After that, we got ICU pulling back down. Some of you asking about TPST. Yes, in our Discord, Theodore Gates. Theodore asked about TPST. Are we gonna have a run for today? Great question. I got you, brother. I got you. Okay, we got TPST. Had a huge pump back here, almost 100%. We have a recovery around Monday. Price hit with a rejection around the 9, went down. Now we have to watch for this bottom price over this AMA, the $4.36. As long as we have a support here, is mean we're gonna have another pump like that one. In the time being, we have the 678 around this number. Yes, this area, man, we have to break it. 680, yes, around this area. So if we don't break this level, Theodore, is mean we're gonna go down to have a support there around the 430. We're gonna have a reversal there. We'll see TPST. We might have action for TPST. Luis said audio skipping. Okay. Tribal Tick website said the voice is okay. Okay, let's fix that. We have one of our hunters said the voice is not good. So let me know. Let me know if you can hear me all right or not. Because Luis said he can hear me. The voice is a bit skipping. So let's fix that. Maybe it's just from your side, Luis. We'll check. If everybody said the voice is all right, is me from your side, Luis. Wow, we have almost everybody have a star near their name. Nice. We almost have everybody. This is the goal, guys. All our live streaming chat here should be with a star. Luke Storm, have a blue star. We got Dave, blue star. This means almost 3 months with us. We got Emily, Tribal Tick. Shout out to Theodore, Luis. Thank you for the support, everybody. Crystal clear. Dave. Okay, so Luis, please refresh your live streaming. I think, is it from your side? Yes, bold with glasses on. TPST, we'll check it later. For today, we have to watch HUPC. This one, we have to put it there. We might hunt it for today. HUPC. We'll see if we're gonna have action for that one. 23% pre-market, yesterday 25%. It's pumping each day. You see, we have 24 yesterday, 24 today. HUPC, we might have a runner for today. The other one could be a runner is XRTX, health technology, pharmaceutical stock. Pharmaceutical stocks, guys, those the stock that go against the current. Those the only stock that go against the current. John, good afternoon, brother. Yes, you see them right now is on our watch list. We got XRTX and HUPC, both of them looking interesting for today. ICU maybe because it's still over our EMA, and Cisco, yeah, maybe this one as well. AMC is preparing for something big, guys. We watching AMC as well because AMC have a huge triangle here, is about to do this reaction. Look at this. We're about to do this thing. Yeah, this thing. Either that or that. So this is what we're waiting for. A confirmation, everybody, for AMC. AMC doing all right. Let's have a party today. Let's have a huge party, everybody. Okay, so the market's not open yet. So let's have a bit of confirmation for the party because it's not yet started. The party will start after 20 minutes from now. So we'll see if we're gonna have some action. And by the way, yesterday, guys, we hit with copyright claim for the song Pump It. As we said, I was afraid from that. So I have to actually cut the section that the music came on my video. You see, this is tricky situation when you put songs like this. You're gonna hit with copyright claims. So this is the danger. Jiba add lipo. We'll see if we get something for that one. Or lipo. Pharmaceutical. I think the name is for lipo is acronym for fat or lipid. The Greek name for lipid, I think. Okay, so this one, I was watching it in the pre-market, but I don't like that chart, man. There's many manipulation going on for this one, so that's why I didn't put it on the list. Don't like that chart that much. Anyway, let's check our stock screener here. Let me just see if we got something. Yeah, this one, a newcomer, ARAV. No, this one reversed some from the bottom, but still doesn't look good technically. And then we got Faz. Again, not good. We're looking for something beautiful, something juicy, something tastes good. You know, when you go to the restaurant, you can smell the food, you know? You just smell. You just go in a restaurant. You don't have to ask anybody if the restaurant is good or not. You just go inside and smell the food. I don't know, it's my superpower or not, but I can tell, you know, just by smelling if the food is good or not. So it's the same with stocks. I can smell, I can see, not smell, because in trading you need to use the sight, not the smell. So yeah, for stocks, I can see if there's something is cooking or not. David, exactly. Exactly. We have to make our own songs here. So we don't have an excuse to have copyright claims. Exactly, brother. But as everybody say, don't mix business with pleasure. Kevin, do you lose interest in NKLA? Nope, but there is no action, NKLA. We even dropped from the $1, so I don't like the technical yet here. I'm waiting for another dip for NKLA. I'm not interested, but I have another thing interested on. So it's opportunity cost here. We don't have to waste time to see some stocks is not ready to pump or still didn't hit the support, and focus instead on the stock that will give us some action, you know. It's the same with you like losing time with the wrong people. So if you know that some people are not right to you or bring drama in your life, you just don't make time for them, you know, just leave. The same here with stocks. You don't have to waste time and energy looking at some stock that's not moving, and go to the other one that actually ready to move and ready to give you some action. Simple as that. Hit the like button on the way, and everybody, don't forget, hit the like button or the dislike, whatever it is. I can see something here. This is crazy what's going on. When I do like our live streaming outside, we have more interaction from people. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do more live streaming outside. What you think, people? What you think, hunters? Should we take our live streaming outside each day? Let me know. I don't know, because the last 2 days were when I was traveling. I have more interaction during our live streaming because we are in a noisy place, and I don't know, it's kind of interesting to see what's drawn people to our live streaming and what's actually is better. Usually I think like quiet place is good, but now when I saw like in noisy places better. People like noise, I don't know. Yeah, David, sound is better. Yes, I agree with you. Continue Asian. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate it. Yeah, everything connected, brother. That's why I'm doing analogy stocks with people, because stocks is people, you know. Who buying stocks is people. So it's the same. Everything's connected. The relationship between people is the same relationship between stocks and countries, or stocks and regulation or law. So you have to know the connection between things. Jan, yes, exactly. Yes, it's kind of more unique, you know, because most YouTuber do their live streaming inside their house, so it's not unique. But once we do our live streaming outside and the camera is not stable, I don't know, like it attracts more people. XRTX, yes. Now it's pulling back actually. 78%. In the pre-market was 100%. Now it's 70%. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like. Let's have a huge party for today. Let's have a huge party for today. uh, oh man, you make me hungry, brother. You know, it's funny because and like it's been a while last time I eat like muffin or whatever, cake, or I don't eat any sugar. And the funny part is, again, I'm living in the best place for those kind of things, you know, in France. And it's really, really hard because I love sweet things. Bon appetit, Lockstorm, bon appetit. So, someone said, FYI, don't call anybody brothers because there's some girls here. Yes, but lately we don't have a difference between a man and woman, so that's why I say brother for everybody, or bro. So it's kind of make it easier, or I don't want to discriminate everybody because now we have crazy thing going on. A lot of people don't know what the woman is. So there's no difference, brother or sister. So when I see a brother, just translate it back to sisters. There's no disrespect here. I'm just saying it as the definition of his brother is not a man, but Like in France, like in America, when you say bro, you can actually say it even to a girl. Like if the girl is your homie, you know. So you could actually say bro for anybody, except for like olderies, because if you're talking to older people, is kind of not respectful to say bro. Depends. If the your grandpa is really cool, you can call him bro. Depends, I think, on the situation. Paolo, good morning. Good afternoon here in France. Guys, again, hit the like button or the dislike, whatever. Do whatever you want in order to have a huge party for AMC. Yeah, man, we you know what? The solution for the gender problem right now is having no name. You don't have to feel offended if someone told you she or it, whatever, if you know the origin of anything. So if you just go back in time or the source from where are we from, we are one, you know. There's no difference between man or woman. We are even between human and animals, you know. We came from the same atoms and same biological factors. So when you think like this in shallow field, yes, you're gonna be offended. But if you think deeper, really deeper, where we come from, there's no difference. And you never ask anybody where you come from or what color you are. There's no difference. Why? It's like asking a bird what type of bird are you. Nobody knows, because if you are a bird, you don't care. You just care about food and having sex and just flying away from country to country. There's no passport. There's no regulation. There's no rules. This is the thing that we forget, you know, being free, doing like just living, just being in present moment. Then think about those little things. Oh, don't call me bro, don't call me a girl, don't call me that. Because when you think about this, you don't think about the big picture. Why we here? And of course, where we going? Yes, so when you think really like this, normally you can actually think in a big picture. This is actually the essence of all problem in our life. Really, thinking about the little problems. Mida Sweep, whoa, it's been a while. Shout out for Mida Sweep. It's been a while. Last time we saw our brother here. He's now is back and hunting VS. He said VS maybe will be the runner for today. Guys, come on, let's hit the 100 likes. Come on, it's Friday. Come on, let's start our party for today. Let's start the party here. Exactly, it's so much drama, man. So much drama here on the planet Earth right now. The only planet that we have, man. And we dispute and fight each other on really, really not important things, you know. We have everything. If you think about it, guys, we have everything. We have water, we have oxygen, we have good soil to plant anything, but instead we fighting each other on crazy stuff, you know. It's not, you know, is not important if you think about it. Okay guys, let's hit the like button. Regarding our live streaming is about to open and we're gonna have a huge kick for the market for today for AMC. So start For today, we have to watch HUBC and XRTX because both of them looking interesting. HUBC got rejected around the resistance and XTRX got pulled back now. Broke the support, guys. Watch out. We broke the first support. So stay tuned for a huge kick for today. Hit the like and let's kick our live streaming for today. And remember, guys, the disclaimer before we start our video, remember that our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let's hit the market for Friday 20th of October. Okay, everybody. Okay. Let's see. I'm watching now. I think Cisco is looking good, guys. I'll put it down with HUBC because both of them looking juicy. Okay, let's start our hunt for today, guys. Hit the like button and let's start our hunt. We have a few seconds. Let's drink our holy water and see what's gonna happen. Okay, the market is open. Let's get right to it, everybody. HUBC is going down. XRTX is going down as well. Okay, XRTX pulling back up. HUBC. Yeah, it's pulling back. XRTX is pulling back as well. AMC, I think we're still holding. Yeah, we're still holding the 9. Still holding, guys. Still holding. Let's see. Okay, we got VS coming back. Yeah, VS is about to squeeze here. Yeah, VS looking good. Hit the like, everybody. VS looking good for a breakout here. VS. We might have a good trade for VS. Yes. Yes, we have double top here. Double top, everybody. We might have a pullback. Watch out. AMC is pulling back up as well. VS. We might have a huge action for VS. We'll see if we're gonna have a breakout here. Okay. Let's see if we have a breakout for VS. VS breaking out. Let's see if we hold now. Let's see if we hold. VS, guys, looking good. VS, we have a support around the 23. Let's see a 27 test now. 37%. Come on, VS. Okay, VS. Let's see if we hold over the 23 now. HUBC is pulling back up. Yes, HUBC looking good. Cisco, nope. Okay, let's watch HUBC and VS. Both of them looking interesting. VS is pulling back. It's pulling back. Watch out. Yeah, it's pretty volatile, this one, guys. Watch out. Yeah, pulling back really hard now. Yes, we have a huge pullback here. Let's go on the big picture to see where we're gonna go. Yeah, big seller. Yeah, 27. We should hit the 27 now. After that, we might have yeah, around this area, and you can see here we might have a great action, but now there's a big seller, guys. Still big seller around the 22. That's why we have a huge pullback. See here around the 23. Yes, big seller around the 23. So here at the bottom around the 27, big seller came around this AMA, exactly around the 25. In the 1 hour chart, still testing. 15 still testing. 5 minutes still testing. So yeah, we need to have 5 minutes over the 23. This 5 minutes should close over this red line, guys. This is it. VS, we have to close over the 23 test. Yes, 27 next target. 27 is the next target. Okay, AMC have earnings today. That's why. No, not today, guys. After 20 days from now, not today. But AMC is reversing. Look, we have a nice bounce from our triangle. AMC looking good here. And VS the same. VS, guys, we have a huge wick here around the 23. Okay, some of you said no sound. I think Shadow Racing, please check your side. I think everybody can hear me. TPST. Did we had a huge pump for TPST? Yes. Yes. Not yet. Okay, AMC guys is pumping. AMC is doing all right here. We are about to break this flag. Greg, thank you, brother. Thank you, really appreciate it. Everybody have a sound. So next level. Shadows Racing, please refresh the streaming. AMC guys is about to do something crazy here. AMC is about to break this flag as we said. Okay, we got something going on here. Okay, AMC is moving, guys. AMC is moving drastically now. HUBC. Yes, yes, I think we're still struggling to break the 23. Okay, AMC, we have a huge buyer here. We held perfectly inside this flag, and now we might have action for AMC. Some of you said AMC have earning tomorrow or today, but I think it's after 20 days. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like. Don't forget. Okay, AMC, we have something here. We might have a breakout. AMC is about to do something, everybody. Look at this. We have something going on. AMC is about to do something. Yeah, 23 guys, big seller around the 23 for VS. Not good. Yeah, we have to break the 23. 23 is the resistance. Yeah, it's pulling back hard now for VS. We have pull trap. We got pull trap for VS here. HUBC is pulling back toward this bottom, the 52. This will be a nice reversal here. AMC, we have a bit of pullback here just around this ascending channel. Not yet, brother, not yet. For VS, it was tricky. For VS, we tried to enter around this breakout. You see on the smaller picture, we have a breakout, but it's actually turned to a fake out here. We don't have a confirmation on the 5-minute. Alvaro, you're a bit late for today. Luke Storm. Luke Storm, TPST and ICU. Yeah, but not today. ICU, yes, a bit weak today. 22% down. TPST, yes, this one is really crazy one. This one is crazy one. Alvaro waiting for a pullback Friday. Good strategy. HUPC, we might have our pullback here. We tested our AMA and now we have a huge wick. Next level, don't yellow, brother. Don't never do that. Never do that. This is the recipe for a disaster. Sometimes when you're yellow, you get lucky and the price go up. But this is not good strategy because one trade can actually go down on you. Like for this one, 70%. Julian, yes, we have a bit of manipulation for VS. But we have to wait for accumulation here, so it's not a sell-off yet. We might have making the short sell cover once we have a retest here. So we might have our squeeze once we break the 23. So patience. Now we have to be patient for VS. Because yeah, we have a huge wick here. So we might have another buying pressure coming in. So we have many people trapped here. Many people trapped. The good thing is we don't have another red candle going toward the 17. This would be a big warning sign. You know, so the good thing is we're still holding over this AMA. So it's not completely disaster. HUBC, nice reversal. Guys, hit the like button on the way and don't forget, let's hit the 100 like and have a huge party today. Remember, today we're gonna do our live streaming here on our Discord, okay? And last time we did our live streaming power hour, of course. Here we're gonna put the a special link on our pre-market alert channel. So we're gonna do a power hour before the market close on our Discord and Patreon, of course, here. So stay tuned for a huge Q&A and hunting for crypto stocks, whatever, before the market close. Okay, VS, AMC. Okay, hit the like, everybody, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. Let's do this. Let's do this. I think we're gonna have something here for HUBC because it started to kick. And the same with VS. I'm still waiting for another kick on around the 23. Okay, let me just put another support for this one around the 20 cents. So this is our support for now, and the resistance, the main resistance, is around the 27.60. So this is a resistance and profit taking. So after we have confirmed this support, we're gonna have a test there, and after that we might have a squeeze or another flush down. So that's why I suggest to close the position here if we don't break this level, the 20 cent. HUBC, we got AMC still doing all right. XRTX going toward a great bottom around the 45, I think here. Yes, the moment that we broke the 60, it was time to short. Actually, really good short, 22% down. Okay, TPST, not bad for today. We might have a test for this resistance. HUBC, we might have something for HUBC. Let me just see if we got something. Okay, major resistance is around the 81. If we broke the 81, we might have the $1 target. Okay, HUBC, we might have another kick here. Let's see. Pull back entry. VS still holding. VS, we might have a reversal here. Hubs, Hub cybersecurity. Let's see if we gonna have a test toward at 8168. Yeah, 76, 77. Still, there's a big rejection here. Little rejection. Yeah, we getting near interesting resistance here. Either we're gonna have a double top or a pump without a rejection would be good. If we have a test without rejection would be good. 77. Okay. Still 78, 78, come on, it's getting near. 77, come on, we need the 80. Where's the 80? Where's the poles? Where's the balls? We're gonna have a huge pullback here. Yeah, we already did the huge reversal here. Yeah, almost 26. We might have a pullback, guys. We lost the energy. The fuel. We need the fuel here near this resistance. Let's check VS. Whoa, VS started to kick, guys. Start to kick. HUBC started to do something as well. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna close the trade around now. Yes. So I'm gonna enter once again after we break the 81. I don't trust it here. VS looking good for entry actually here. Let me just go switch for VS because we are near a support. Let's see if we have a trigger. Okay, we have a trigger. We got 20 support and now we watching for a reversal. As we said, if you come late, this one we have a fake out here. Price go down, we talk about the support over our AMA. And now we watching for another kick, as we said, the 27. 27 should be our profit taken and exit. If you are have more balls, you tell me, okay, why we close our trade? We just do trend stop. I will tell you yes, but be careful because here we might have a pullback. If we have pullback, we have to exit. Let me see. Yes, we have to exit around the 23. Breaking even or with little profit. Otherwise, we could actually maximize our gain until the 37. So now is a waiting game. HUBC, guys, we exited quickly around the 78 because, as said, there is a weakness. We already used the fuel. As everybody knows, when the rocket go up, usually we have 3 rockets, yes. When we use the first rocket to escape the Earth gravity, we have to have another rocket to take us on the second stratosphere, and the last one to put us on the orbit. The same with HUBC. It uses all the fuel to go to the orbit, so we're not on orbit yet. That's why I suggest to take profit here. So we exited quickly. We entered here, we exited there. Now it's pulling back. VS on the other hand, so we closed HUBC, we entered for VS because it was nice pullback here around this support, and now VS is charging up, yeah, 2350. Theodore, happy to hear, brother. This is it. As we said, discipline, brother. Discipline. Discipline and stick to our strategy. And never get FOMO. Let the price come to you and never run after the price. Luke Storm. Man, I can't save the devil. It's like tell Jesus saved the devil. You can't, you know? So when you tell me Jesus save ICU, I can't save a stock that can't be saved, you know? VS, come on, it's pulling back. What's going on here? Okay, normal pullback. Wow, man, the 23, guys, the 23, as we said, big seller on the 23. Big seller. If they covered here, guys, this is would be hallelujah. You know what? It's not looking good here. The 23, man, I'm telling you guys, the 23 big seller here. He's not moving, I'm telling you. 23.47. This is really tricky here. A really tricky trade for VS. Is not normal trade, guys. This one is not normal. I will keep it just in case. ICU 17% down and pulling back from the support. Whoa, what's going on? And the 5-minute looking great pullback on the 5-minute. Yes, really great pullback around the 89. So for ICO, we have to break, man, this level, the $1.24. Yes, 89 is the support. We have to watch for the 89. Otherwise, we're going to have the 61. VS. Great. Man, this one is crazy. As we said, guys, we have to break the 23 to make the short cover. Just like that. TBST, everybody said TBST. Yeah, TBST, it's tricky below the $7.40 is really still tricky here for TBST. For AMC, we might have action for AMC, but the action is still delayed because we're still below the 10.25. 22 cents. Where's the 23, guys? 23 cents. This will be hallelujah. We need to break the 23, everybody. Everybody watch out. Okay, lipo still holding, not bad. Neo is pumping from the bottom. AMD, Nvidia, we got that one. Ford doing all right. Yeah, okay, not that bad. This one, MTC, hitting the profit taken. Yeah, hitting profit taken around the $2.90. Nice. Anyway, so MC or VS, still we have a struggle to break the 23. This one, if we broke the 23.47, guys, game on. This one could give us a huge pump. Hit the like, everybody. Let's hit the 100. Why not? Let's hit the 100. Who's ready? Again, guys, today we have power hour. What does mean power hour? It means the last hour and trading session before the market close. We always do our live streaming, especially here for Patreon and Discord hunters and members, to answer all the questions from you guys, prepare for the next week, hunt for cryptos, everything. Let's get right to it. VS, this is it, guys. VS, the short seller are scared now, are scared and watching our live streaming. They want to cover here. XRTX going down more, yes, toward the 43, brother. 43 is the support, and the resistance is there around around the 60. Let's say the 60. So this one is going down, brother. It's going to the depth of the sea. So yeah, it's going down now. We have bottom here. This one is really risky, brother. High risk, high reward, because we have to have a pullback here. Here we have to have pullback, otherwise game over. 36 and 43. This should be a reversal, guys. This is it. We have to have a reversal here, and then take profit around the 59. This is the strategy. And the other one, ICU over the $1. ICU came out from ICU's good hunt, brother. Then 89 is the bottom, and now is the resistance. Actually here we have a resistance, I think around $1. Yes, we might get rejected now, but the main resistance is the $1.24. so ICU doing all right. Man, VS still. Wow, VS pulling back. Then the big seller is still there, guys. 23.47. They're not moving. We have a test around the 23 after this pullback, and the seller is still there. As we said, this is it. VS, where we're gonna have the short cover here around the 23.47. Okay, we have a pullback for the market. Everything's pulling back. Yeah. Even ICU, yes, hit our rejection around the $1, you see, or $1.07, yes, and pulling back down. So now for ICU, if we don't break this area, $1.08, $1.24 is mean a flush down later on. After we break the 89, of course, so we might have a huge flush. So now 15% down. We might be down almost 50% in today or next week. If we held, yeah, we might end up in green for today, at least 10%. TPST, big volatile stock, you guys. You see what's happening here? Big volatility. So volatility is good. Guys, hit the like. Let's have a huge party here. Hit the like or the dislike. As we said, there's a free will. If you are a hunter, it means you have a free will to do whatever you want. Freedom, liberty, as French say, liberty. Yes, sir. Sunray, welcome, brother. Look, Storm is not just options. When you short, you can actually short by CFD account, by having CFD account, so you don't have to have options to short the stock. And yeah, one of them is options, so it's not just options. Nice hunt, Sunray just hunted for MTC. He sold around the $3, around our resistance that we discussed before. Sunray, nice hunt, brothers, nice hunt. As we said before, we're gonna have power hour for today on our Discord and Patreon before the market close. Stay tuned for that. If you have any question, we're gonna answer it there. HUBC, HUBC. Theodore, how long do you trade? During the day? You mean during the day? Depends on the volatility, brother. Sometimes I trade all the day if we have some opportunity. And if we don't, it means just the first 1 hour. That's it. And depends on the market, of course. Sometimes we have a huge day. There's no rest. You can't rest. Like we have a huge opportunity. You buy, you sell, then the price go up again. You buy, then you sell, price go up, and you ride, the same question that been asked for me, like how many years I've been playing guitar, and the answer is simply I stopped counting. It's like telling you, Theodore, how long you been riding the bike? You don't have answer for that because you already been riding the bike when you were started walking, so you stop counting. There's no use of counting. The other example is like when I go to the gym. Some people ask me like how many reps, and told them I don't count. I count when I start to have like I feel pain in my muscle. I feel the fatigue. Then I will not count, but I count the seconds, how many seconds I actually can push further. So I don't count. I don't count how many hours for or how many reps for for the gym, and for the same time for the guitar I stop counting for trading as well. Look, Storm, exactly. This is a nice one. Only count the ones you don't do. Interesting. Jolene. Yes, man. Muhammad Ali said it, Mike Tyson, Arnold, they all use this trick. But man, I tried it like I tried it before when I hit the gym and tried to do that. It's simple to say, but hard to do, man. It's really hard. It's like when I heard, like, I feel my muscle kind of burning. I can push just 1 second or 2 seconds, then I will die. I can't push further. So those maniac or those crazy people like Muhammad Ali, or they're not people anymore. There's kind of super people, Superman. They actually tap to their mentality. They tap to the ultimate power, which is the mental power. Not the muscle power, but the mental power. They actually can control this burning in the muscle, and they control their urges. Their body tell them to stop, and they never stop. I'm not saying to anybody do that because it's really, really dangerous. You can hurt yourself. But I did I read about this. There's a lot of scientific research saying that the brain tell you to stop way earlier from the danger zone. Just put this in perspective. So your brain protects you is like you protecting your infant. You are too protective. Sometimes like you protect your babies too much. It's not good for the babies. When they grow up, will be kind of weak. That's why our generation is really weak compared to the other generation back in Roman Empire or whatever. We are really, really weak because when we grow up in our society right now, we too protective. The same with our brain. Our brain protect our muscle and whole body too much. So when you go in a gym and you feel burning in your muscle, you give up, and this is not good because you can actually hit more and more and more and more without actually affecting the muscle. This is really crazy. When I read this research, it's like, oh man, our brain playing tricks on us. Like our brain make us give up way too easy, way too early and too easy. That's why there's no there's no like mini Mike Tyson or Muhammad Ali or whatever, or Bolt, or there is no many people like this, you know. This is crazy. Yes, Jan. I read about a story about a guy who actually was in this kind of situation, and he saw an accident, and some guy were in behind, or like the car is on the top of the guy, and the guy is almost died and asking for help, and this guy saw this situation, and he actually deadlift a car that weighed almost 1,500 kilo. Imagine, this is more than this is the triple, I think, the triple deadlift ultimate weight, because the deadlift I see, I think in the Guinness World Record, I think is more than 500 something, around 500 kilos, or almost 1,000 pound. And this guy deadlifted a car weighted almost triple the World Guinness record. And he never lifted anything in his life. He never actually went to the gym. He's a normal guy. And he lifted this amount of weight because the situation called for it. And the brain actually activated the muscle that never been trained before, activated in this situation, and helped the guy. When I heard the story, it's like it was mind-boggling, man. Mind-boggling. The power that we have stored in our muscle is kind of the key is in our brain. We can actually tap in superpower energy that we can actually have until the brain say, okay, it's time for opening the gate of hell. Interesting, everybody. It's really interesting to study human brain and neuroscience, physics. All this kind of connect in one field, which is curiosity of nature. We don't know nothing, man. Still don't know nothing. VS still up and down. HUPC pulling back. AMC still pulling back. So yeah, we have a bit of weak market today, guys. Not too much action. Not too much action. Remember, everybody, we're gonna do live streaming later on our Discord and Patreon. Just as a reminder, our Patreon and Discord. Okay, we're gonna do huge update for you guys, so stay tuned for that before the market closes for today. Okay, shout out to our members on Patreon. We almost hit the 200 members on Patreon. So shout out to anybody who actually supports the trading community on our Patreon. Okay, let's go on VS. We're still watching VS. CBO. CBio. XRTX went to buy. Whoa, we have a bit of hold up. So we have a resistance, brother. If we don't break this resistance, is mean we're gonna go down once more here. So the 59.90, this will give us a signal. If we don't break this level, is mean we're gonna go some more down. If we broke it, yes, we might have a good entry for a profit taken around the 73.95. Otherwise, price accumulating here, test, then continue to go down 43.36, which is the reversal zone. C-Bio, let's check C-Bio together. C-Bio. Light volume, easy manipulated. Resistance is a bit far still, around the 74. VS, I'm still watching VS for a breakout, 23.47. Oversold NXU. I think is oversold for a reason. Let me just check and confirm that for you, brother. NXU. 11% down and continue to go down. We have big short opened back in 19th of October or yesterday. Not good, brother. I don't suggest anybody to enter on this one until we break the 4 cent or the 5 cent, yes, psychological level. But now it's dicey, brother. It's really dangerous. Brother, for VS, if you want to enter here, you have to risk the pullback because we have a resistance here. If you want to enter, just make sure to close if we broke the 20 cent. This is the support. If we broke it, it's game over. If we still holding the 20 cent, we're gonna have a breakout eventually and go toward the 27. Simple as that, either. ICU is still okay as long as we hold the 89. As we said, we have early resistance around $1.08. If we don't break this level and break the 89, I don't suggest to buy because we might have a pullback again toward the 61. Huge pullback. Huge pullback. We might have a huge pullback. ICU. If we broke the 89 right now. The resistance still the squeeze $1.24, brother. ACXP. John. Light volume, not good. Easy manipulated. You see we have a bit of wick here below the support. Don't like it. It's not good. However, just watch out for the $8.70 in a big picture because if we broke it, we might have the $10 mark. The bottom, really good bottom that I'm waiting for a pullback at is the $2.99, $2.34. So either wait until we have a pullback here for entry or wait until we break the $8.70 for entry up down. So I don't suggest to buy here in a midway. It's really dangerous. Buy near the bottom, then take profit there, 5 and 8, or after the confirmation. CCG. What about CCG? Yo, VS, we have something for VS. CCG, we're still below the 716, so I'm not suggesting to enter here. Below the resistance. VS, let us go back to VS because we might have a breakout before we finish our live streaming because it's still looking juicy. Still holding the 20, and this time if we broke the 23.47 we might have our squeeze. This is it. Nikola looking good. Yeah. Guys, hit the like. Come on, we almost hitting the 100. Almost hitting the 100. Come on. It's Friday. It's party time. I know, man. I know. Each day should be a party. I don't know why we wait for Friday or Saturday or Sunday to party and enjoy being alive. Each day should be a party. So if you came here, I will make sure to remember or remind you guys about partying. So because if you come here, is a party as well. Each day is a party actually, because we might hunt a huge unicorn. Because it was crazy month, or last month we hunted mini stock that jump almost 4,000% and 1,000%. This is a real party. There is no drinks, but there's gains. VVS. TikTok for VS TikTok. Yeah, I know. Sitting at the one place for 2 hours is really too much. That's why we have to stretch a bit and gain the focus, because I just read about the limit of our focus. When you focus on something, there is a limit for our focus. When you do something like need a lot of concentration, you have to take a time off to replenish the focus, guys. Anyway, so VS is about to do something here around the 2347. I will wait a bit, guys. I will wait a bit for VS, because we might have a breakout around the 2347. We might have some action at least for VS. HUBC, we have a little action, but it died. That's why we exited quickly here around this wick. However, for VS, we discussed the bottom, guys, or support reversal. And now we're waiting for a confirmation for a breakout. So the reversal was around the 20. We spotted this support here. It was good, but we have a fake out here. So now we have a bit of accumulation, and the shorts have to fight again around this resistance. If we don't make the short cover here, game over for today. If we did, it's mean game on for VS to go around the 27, and this is give us another 17% and end up in today market around the 50 or 40%, because now it's 20% up. TikTok for the short seller. Hit the like, hit the like. 80, we're missing 2 guys or 2 girls to hit the 80 like. Okay. Okay, I think it's time to call it, because the market is a bit weak. I think time to call it for today and play some guitar instead. I don't know. Okay, let me just. It's been a while. let's do some song before we call the live streaming for today, because it's Friday and we have to finish with some love, and the best way to give some love is by giving some music. I don't know if everybody is still watching here, but let's just chill out. I think we have a bit of delay here. Yeah, VS is still waiting for something here. We don't have some action. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it for today. As we said, guys, we're gonna take our live streaming later on our picture on Discord. Okay, so we're gonna do a power hour before the market close to answer all your questions. And maybe we're gonna do a short analysis update for a breakout for VS, because it's about to break the 2347. Thank you guys for watching, and as usual, we're gonna do live streaming for the next week on Monday, and maybe update for AMC later on if we have a breakout, because AMC is still consolidating over the support. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Hopefully you have a nice weekend. Now it's time to make some music and relax a bit. Sunray, thank you, brother. Exella. Okay, let me just check Exella. Very quick. Nothing, man. It's dead. Volume is really dead. There's nothing for Exella here. Nothing to be watched. Yeah, we have support still around the 5, resistance still around the 13, so nothing changed, brother. Nothing changed for Exella. DH, right, brother. Once you enter our Patreon, you're gonna have the link and you're gonna be connected automatically to our Discord. Okay, so once you join our Patreon, you have access directly to our Discord. WHLR. Yeah, guys, we have to call it for today. We have to call it for today. Let me just check this one. Yeah, this one is really chubby, Emily. We have a big seller still adding around the $1.48. As we said, the major resistance that we have to break is around the $1.99, I think. But yeah, this one not good because it's really volatile. Let me just lower the resistance. Yeah, around the $1.50. Let me just go here. No, it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Luke Storm, man. Have a great day, everybody. Have a great day. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next time. Please spread love and care front of you, and of course have a nice weekend, and see you in the next update.